Welcome back, guys. Today we're starting off with building an API, and we'll be building our API with pure Node.js, and then we'll build up from there so that we have the knowledge of working with pure Node.js and working with Express, right? So now I have a directory called API_1 that will be the first API that we'll be making. So here the aim is just to make a simple CRUD operation so that you guys are familiar with how you can work with pure Node.js, right? So this thing is still empty, so I'll say let's create a new file that is server.js. So now we need to have our file called server.js. There we go. So now let's start. Right now what we want to do in this video, we just want to have our server started, right? So I just want to keep this videos short and sweet. So we want to say http require, and we're gonna require http, and then what we do next is we say const server is equals to http.create server, and then we need a callback that will be our request and our response, and then from there what we do is we just wanna console log out for now. Server is working, right? And then what we want to do is we want to have our server to listen up at a certain port, so we can say const port is equals to let's say 5000, right? And then want to say server.listen at port 5000 and give me a callback, right? That will log out server started at, let's have template string there at port 5000, right? So now this I believe should start our server. Now let's go test it up. So we come here, we say node server.js. so now we have our server started at port 5000. So now this will be it for this video, and we'll go down to the next video where we'll be passing down our URL that we'll be getting.